What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Omar Fabs. ¿Cómo anda, raza? ¿Cómo andamos? Esperemos que todos estén bien y echándole jodidazo para adelante. No se rajen, guys. Yo no voy a trabajar mi camioneta hoy, pero sí voy a trabajar en el carro de mi sobrino. Quiere que le instalen unas pipas. We did a muffler delete on his car like 3 weeks ago. And now he ordered some pipes and he wants me to help him install them and do all the welding, since he has an uncle that knows how to do it. I guess he wants to save that money. Anyways, guys, today we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be installing the pipes, like I said. Y no se agüiten, guys, muy pronto vamos a empezar a trabajar en la Colorado, o si no en esta vamos a empezar a hacer la suspensión de atrás y vamos a instalar lo que les dije ya en otros videos. Guys, no se me desesperen. Yo sé que a algunos de ustedes les gusta mirar camionetas y eso, pero en veces no se puede. Hay mucho dinero envuelto y ahorita la situación en California está un poquito media cariñosa, guys. Entonces, no se desesperen, guys. Thank you for watching the videos. I know they're a little weak, but you guys have to give me an opportunity because it takes a while to become a YouTuber, I believe. And I don't know if I'm doing well, and if I am, thank God for that. So, guys, como ya miran, soy pintor también. En uno de los videos les mostré que I was doing sheetrock and stuff, but I went ahead and did the painting. I didn't want to record that, guys, because it's just painting, guys. But like I said, nomás estoy esperando que llegue mi sobrino, and we're gonna get to it. So, guys, just follow and like the videos. It helps me out. For those that follow me, leave a like. No duele, nomás el paz, so we can keep growing, so YouTube can be throwing my videos out there. I need that support, guys. So, gracias, guys. A los nuevos, ahí estamos, guys. Los videos viejos ahí están para que ustedes los miren. Y vamos a empezar, ahorita que más que llegue este camarada, a trabajar en su carrito. Bueno, hay que esperar que llegue. Y así se mira mi sala, guys. As you can tell, I am single. I don't have a table, none of that stuff. And I have my wheels right here. I bought these wheels like 3 years ago. Pero muy pronto se los vamos a poner la F100, which is the green truck. Excuse the mess, guys. I like to keep those boxes. Yes, I like to drink beer. Esas cajas son de mis rines. Todavía no los tiro porque cuando vaya al shop los quiero poner en las cajas y poder pues que llevarlos allá a gustito, guys. So, guys, they showed up and we're here. We lifted the car up. We got the welder out and the bottle, and we're gonna get to welding, guys. So let's get to it.
Here.
No.
What happened?
It's right there.
Cook it?
No water.
I want some water.
Do you want one too?
Oh, put it right there.
You want one too?
I do, but not anymore. Yeah. Whatever it goes.
Can I borrow a knife to cut it?
You don't have to cut it open, just grab it from the sides. Right.
The wheel's black. This is too more. It's not gonna hold.
It's on it.
It's on the side. Right on the corner of it. Okay? Move this more out.
$3 gone.
Come on.
Let's go. Up to you. Go.
Is it on the middle?
It's not in the middle, bro. See how it
Come on. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Work.
Very, very good.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Very, very good.
I'm gonna start selling them. The situation is a little hard nowadays.
See inflation?
Yeah.
No.
Hold on. For real, no cap.
They're taxing now.
I gotta touch this niggas.
Today, we're showing small mufflers in a big car.
You want to? I love you, brother. Like that. That's the thing. I'm gonna that. I was he was just not high. I could hear not real low.
Do you look better purple or black?
Purple. I like purple.
Yeah.
Oh, pass me the piece of metal. The
Nothing else is purple though.
Yeah, like a purple color.
Nothing else in the car is purple.
You're purple.
Huh?
I messed up.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
Today's is really good.
I messed up.
How?
This lines weren't it. It was this one. And I put. Alright, so we are done. We just finished welding the mufflers and all the pipes that we had to be done. That had to be done. And now they're lowering the car right now. Let's see how it looks.
I have to connect the battery. Would it shock me?
No.
What's the tool at?
Oh, it's over there.
You gotta get the tool. Looks cleaner, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's spray water. No, I'm just kidding. Is that it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you turn it on.
All the keys in there?
Yeah.
What up?
Huh?
Go.
Go?
Turn it on.
Grab it.
Guys, the exhaust is not. It's just for looks. It's not really a muffler like that. It was just for fun, guys. It's not a racing car. So, there it is. Ahí está, vale, bien volado con su carrillo viejo. It's not that old, guys. but he's all happy. Took us a long time. I worked like 5 hours for free.
Very good.
Woo! So guys, that's it. This is gonna be a small video because I don't want to make them too long. Sometimes, you know, let's make some short videos, and this is one of them. And this is it for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in, and keep on trucking. Today was not a truck, but eventually we'll get to it. So catch you in the next one. Yee. Bye.